8 houses destroyed over enmity in Kangpokpi district. SEAL Class 11 question packages were torn beforehand, says Minister Radheshyam. And Trump visits Taj Mahal after pleasing India with tough talk on terror and trade. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. 8 houses were attacked and destroyed over enmity at Pongringlong, Charai Pondongba under Kangpokpi district on 19th of February, alleged by a group of people led by two men, namely Ning Taulung Daimei and Lan Minglun Panmei, hailing from the same village. Reportedly, one of the destroyed houses belonged to Kulakpa Gainaichung Malangmei, former ex-official chairman of Pongringlong village. Talking to TOMTV regarding the incident, David Malangmei, son of Ganaichung Malangmei, informed that the accused and his accomplices came rushing to the victims' houses and started damaging the properties worth rupees 80 lakh. They also used verbal abuse against Ganaichung Malangmei, saying that he is not the legitimate Kulakpa. David added that the accused even threatened them to leave the village by February 24. He claimed that recently the accused even held the village chairman election in utter violation of the Manipur Hills Area Act 1956. David drew the attention of the concerned authorities and social organizations over the impasse.
Hangwa matamda ekhoi di hojik gadget thokrabani ekhoina khumbu khulak oirabani aduna ase yum kaise thugaibani haidana haye haina SP na ekhoi da haire ado ekhoina so khalle rigumba DC ama orga SDO ama orga karigumba khumbu khulak ama oire harga government gi language ta nanga sidi khumbu khulak oire aduga nangna au ba zum kai bu thugai ra chalo haina haibagi language kumbadi leiram khiroi ado gadget thoe khumbu khulak paire nadraga officer ma ore haina au ba zum au ba khunda chalaga yum thugai ba haibisidi aina su pambagi thabak oiramoi masi gumba program siksida leiriba koina leiriba ichin inaw singsina phaningai gi kari kari no haibado any sangstan leiba metai ichin naw khangde government gi maikai di khangde civil organization gi khangde kari kari kana kana leibuduna ekhoibu phanaba gi romda tobiyo haina aise dum haijaning bani.
SEAL question paper packages for Class 11 provided by Council of Higher Secondary School Manipur Kosham were found torn beforehand in 10 schools, said Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam. A handful of teachers has disgraced us, Minister Radheshyam told reporters at Kosham office today. He said 10 schools had violated council norms by tearing SEAL question paper packages. Radheshyam said teachers, parents and guardians have immense role in shaping the life of students, adding that we at the individual level need to become morally responsible person in order to make a good society. The recent Class 11 question leak scam has tarnished the image of the state, he said. The minister also expressed displeasure over the sending of students to tuition centers and asked if we are sending our words to these centers only for securing good marks in examination.
Reschedule tawra matungda nahansi pukhatlo haidana paikha tawdine pukhatlu kanra school taragi moina kenosi packing loi handok leramne school tara now akoi inquiry ma so already inquiry ma so institute tawn lere inquiry tawgado committees na details loi puthorani adagi somda akoi gi crime branch ta cyber crime gi makhada on the same day tarik kunda akoi report FIR tawre FIR number so sillere FIR number 12 close to 2020 leak tawramba adagi kanoda akoi gi social media da upload tawramba kangbu singdo madu phanaba akoi criminal case ama FIR tawraga cyber crime branch na crime branch ama local.
Meanwhile, the Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DSAM, and Apunba Ireipaki Mahairoi Sinpanglup, AIMS, condemned the recent leakage of question Class 11 examination, claiming that those individuals who reported the incident to the authority have been victimized by the government. Talking to media persons today at DSAM head office located at Kwakatel, Alliance Secretary General Leisangthem Lamjingbatomtv said that those individuals involved in the question paper leak scam must be booked under cyber laws and punished. He also termed it as unfortunate that local newspapers have disclosed the identities of those involved in the incident, which is a clear sign of violating Whistleblower Prohibition Act. Lamjingbatomtv urged Chief Minister N. Biren to initiate a proper probe into the incident.
DSAM the pau pidaiba mioising amadi whole investigation ki procedure sa ngasi gi media da sabak phalak ba haiba sa masi whistleblower sing amadi DSAM da thajaba thamiba miyam sing amadi achumba bu tawba pamba miyam sing gi adugumba sanctity bu ikai khumna ba miyam bu machin mention na ba gi tamakta tawra pa thawung ama khakni haiduna su DSAM amadi AIMS ki maikai gi su lawjai.
US President Donald Trump has visited the Taj Mahal after promising to boost trade and fight terrorism on the first day of his visit to India. He and wife Melania's sunset visit to the iconic mausoleum in Agra came on the first day of his visit to India. According to media reports, earlier Trump told a crowd of more than 1 lakh in Ahmedabad the US remained committed to India and lavished compliments on his host, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Trump's speech at the rally named Namaste Trump, Welcome Trump, largely consisted of a rundown of their greatest hits as he listed Mr. Modi's economic achievement and called him a very tough negotiator. Earlier, Mr. Modi greeted his guests with his trademark warm hug ahead of a visit aimed at commenting ties between the long-time political allies that have been damaged by arguments over trade, reports added. A man who allegedly set ablaze a house, an eco-band and a loom in the early hours of the morning at Wangbal under Thobal police station in Thobal district was caught by locals and handed over to police. The locals also took a motorcycle allegedly belonging to the accused. However, timely arrival of a district fire service team prevented the house from further devastation by the blaze. The man involved in the brazen arson attack was identified as Kaidong Bamsuvol, is 44 years, a resident of Wangbal Mayai Lekai, a police report said. The house belongs to Wan Thokchom Inaubi, is 61 years. Properties worth rupees 60,000 was destroyed in the fire. The police report further said that the accused has been admitted to Reams Hospital, Imphal. They suspected that he drank a poisonous substance on the way to the police station. And now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, Kangkhong Ching village gets electricity after 4 decades.
Takshila Institute registration opened for JEE and EET Foundation. For Takshila Vision NEET and Vision JEE eligibility 10th appeared. Duration 2 years. Screening date 22nd of March. Batch start 30th of March. For Takshila Mission NEET and Mission JEE eligibility 11 appeared. Duration 1 year. Screening date 22nd of March. Batch started 30th of March. Takshila Target and EET eligibility 12 passed. Duration 1 year. Screening date 10th of May. Batch starts 18th of May. For Takshila Target JEE eligibility 12 pass, duration 1 year, screening date 26th of April, batch starts 4th of May. For more details, please contact Takshila Institute, Takshila Hai, Thangmaiban DM College Road. Enroll now. Aura Career Launcher. Admission open for foundation course of class 9 and 10 2020. Subjects offered physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Duration 4 months. Course fee rupees 2,000 per subject. Last date of form submission 1st of March 2020 Sunday. Class commencing from 2nd of March 2020 Monday. For more details, please contact Aura Career Launcher, Takshila Heights, Thangmaiban DM College Road. Phone number 888-9464-222. Or you can also visit at the website www.auracareerlauncher.com.
Welcome back. Kangkhong Ching village, located around 10 km from Khudingthavi village along Imphal-Mori highway, had been reeling under darkness with no power supply for the past 4 decades. With the efforts made by the Manipur State Power Development Company Limited, MSPDCL, the interior village will now get electricity supply as the new electric transformer has been installed and inaugurated at the village today by social worker W. Morris Mokunga. Talking to reporters, Langkhong Ching village secretary K. Akham Maring expressed joy over getting electrification at the village. He said the long cherished dream of the villagers has been fulfilled now.
Ngasi akhoi Langkhong Ching khun asida mai phangbagi khunjasingna harauba nungaiba phongdoi sahi kya gi mamangda mai phangdana awaba masha kya mayonarami ngasi digi hona akhoi gi haujiki puri balenga sina nungsibiduna mijeng tabiduna akhoi gi Langkhong Ching gi awaba si ngasi digi hona power asi phanganbi bagi nungaiba khunjasingna phongdok jari.
A teenage boy was found dead this morning on a roadside at Karampat under Thawal district. The deceased has been identified as Ningthozam Mangalsana Singh, age 18 years, son of N. Sunil Singh of Basikong Kongba Irong under Imphal East. Initial reports suggested that he died of drug overdose. Mangalsana was a student of Idle School and was appearing in the ongoing Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Bosham. Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR, Government of Manipur has kicked off a 2-week short-term course on impact of social media today at Jadonang Memorial College, Longmai None. The program will continue till 7th of February. None Deputy Commissioner Hungyo Warsang, DIPR Director H. Balkrishna, Manipur Hills Journalists Union President Ram Kung Pami, and Jadonang Memorial College Principal Khuiga Kami attended the opening function. Talking to TOMTV, H. Balkrishna said that the objective of such courses is to impart the young learners the importance of media and its impact on the society. It also aims to provide basic ethics and norms of news writing both in social media and mainstream media, Balkrishna added.
Social media da akui achumba pau nataba arano pau kaya ama sanu kanda akui samaj no day to day law and order gi yom sida su akaiba pirak pa kaya am sule du governance ki lam masida thing mo pirak pa kaya am su thok tabana te alna sigu masing thing da su ya da ba du loina amana akui journalism hai base akui masi maram da basic se khangdana pangtau da taw ba dei pagi ibu su ya ba natabani na masi thongai tamba ma changi adagi thongai khona ba ma changi aduna yam dravada general akoi youth sing da basics of journalism masi magna thaba heta phangani ha na te aduna basics on journalism on news reporting se masi social media gi impacts sigi akan impact or adverse effect am lak ba si ga chanana puna chatmina ba pam jabadagi koi ja pe sinjaba.
Under the aegis of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR Imphal and Northern Disability Loitang Lekinthabi, in association with State Commission for Persons with Disabilities, organized a block-level awareness program on child rights focused on Poksho Act and children with disabilities at Loitang Lekinthabi today. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights Chairperson Sumati Balaning Thozam, State Commission for Persons with Disabilities Commissioner Dr. R.K. Kumarjit and LLYC President C.H. Romeo attended the event. MCPCR member R.K. Sumitra and MRW member L. Amarendra Sharma took part as resource person. During the awareness program, R.K. Sumitra talked on child rights, interpretation of Pokso Act and Juvenile Justice Act. She also underlined on the need of the masses to have basic knowledge of these acts.
Nasi kano sida ek sida adagi law sida hairami ba rules da hairami ba kuding si asinewa.
Nongmaithem Dental Clinic and Research Institute, in association with Humanity Fitness Center, organized a one-day free dental camp today at the Humanity Plus Fitness Center, Uripok, Achom Laikai, Imphal. All the participants of the camp will get 30% discount during next visit to Nongmaithem Dental Clinic and Research Institute, the organizers inform. Trainer of Humanity Plus Fitness Center, Noreen Samom, said that the free dental camp was held to maintain a healthy society. He also informed that the fitness center will organize similar health camps in the days to come.
Humanity Plus na hujik tawdariba padamasi kunai su athu matam da changing ama oinabagi damakta Humanity Plus na su achoba dai ta maga loina na pangtok chaba kem ni matam ga chanaraba Humanity Plus na miyam chulakiu kutong chab silagiu akoba kunai mo oinasi.
Under the Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR), the Airport Authority of India (AAI) today handed over an eco-van to the authority of BB Po Special School located at Mongsangai, Imphal, during a simple function held at the school premises. AAI Director S. Raju, Official Social Welfare Director NG Uttam Kumar, teachers and students of BB Po Special Schools were present at the event. All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association has claimed that the recently introduced state government's No School Bake Day has become one of the factors affecting the career of the students in class 6 to 10, as they are unwilling to attend the classes on this day. Talking to reporters at the Manipur Press Club Imphal, Association President Doreen Khanganba said that the government has taken up the initiative for the betterment of the student community, which is supported by the association. However, students in class 6 to 10 find these as an excuse to bunk their classes, Khanganba added. He drew the attention of the state government over the matter. A one-day legal awareness program on inclusion of senior citizens, transgender and people infected with HIV/AIDS in entitlement of free legal services and roles of paralegal volunteers, police and civil society organizations on reducing mob justice was held today at Ibudau Mayangamba Sanglen, Bishnupur District. The program was jointly organized by Legal Aid Clinics of Bishnupur District and District Legal Services Authority, Bishnupur. Superintendent of Police Bishnupur District Priya Darshini Laishram, Manipur State Legal Services Authority member, Secretary S. Sadananda, Assistant Director Sathi L. Randoni Devi were among who attended the awareness program. Pumlenpat Khoidum Lamjau of Punbalup today said the Loktak Development Authority LDA should stop meddling in the affairs of Pumlenpat. Talking to media at the Manipur Press Club Imphal, Loop Secretary Salam Joy maintained that the construction of Ithai Beres has caused misery to several people residing near Pumlenpat for the past 37 years and at such, they do not want further issues cropping up. He added that unlike Loktak Lake, Pumlenpat has no floating island on it and hence the residents will never accept LDA interfering with their lives. And now we have another short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only, monthly fee rupees 500 only, 1 year rupees 4,500, 6 months rupees 2,400, 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabsu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness, Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi, Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising ama chapat marifom do ki hong chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lerek laba Nauka gi Info Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fum na ta bangam da gi awaba mayok na di na al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga si makleng sin direct na completely invisible, water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid happy you ta bangam gi pangalwa na badong gi khang na chana ba single power si tambio ai ko gi life from di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 600009545159.
Admission open. The Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. A book compiled by Pradhan Guru of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Rajkumar Nabindra Singh, titled Lai Kumjanba Sarin Chanba, was released today during a function organized by Angom Ningthau Preservation and Documentation Center, APDC, Uripok at JNM Dance Academy, Imphal. Manipur Pandit Loishang Pandit Ngariambam Kerani Singh, retired Commissioner RN Culture Dr. Rajkumar Nimai Singh, retired Professor Manipur University Dr. Polem Navachandra, Director JNM Dance Academy L. Upendra Sharma and Dr. Laishram Imoba attended the book release function. Talking at the event, author Rajkumar Nabindra Singh said that the book depicts failure of today's generation to follow and perform various indigenous religious rituals. He said the book also attempts to impart knowledge to the youngsters on the age of sacred rituals.
Sabi oragadi karam from the kudub sivya de kind of lady visit. Karadum Panjarabani, the Nupasingizo, Sunagi, Koyelagi, Rom de Awigadori by Samsamba, like Oxum Yagodori, Mayam looking Pisenama, like Pubaginama, kind of my tongue on the lady. She whom Mayam the Piset Tangi, Mayam Zotum Yobser of Nedum Magi, Songa like son. Karadum Wale, Lomak de Haduxa deco, Karadum Wale, I am anadi. A
2-day-long national seminar on gender equality issues and challenges in India, gender sensitization in medical and paramedical, has kicked off today at Liberal College, Luang Sangbam. The program is jointly organized by Liberal College and Manipur State Commission for Women under the sponsorship of National Commission for Women. Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education, SCERT, M. Harikrishna, IAS, Manipur State Commission for Women Chairperson Dr. Binota Mainam and Liberal College Principal W. E.B. Chaubi attended the opening event. Chief guest of the function, M. Harikrishna, said that the seminar is held at the right time as it has become a necessity for students to understand about gender issues, adding that the seminar's topic is good initiative.
It's critical that education in fact, in the seminar, paramedical medical issues like the career hospital, the college, the ceiling, everything ultimately comes down to education. Genesis, education yes, she gender issues here. She is a holy among she. Don't you mirror or do it by any they need to be aware. They need to be informed. They need to understand.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU Singzamai branch organized a district-level mathematics competition at Manipur College, Imphal yesterday. Around 800 students took part in the competition under two categories, Class 3 to 5 and Class 6 to 8. The Supreme Court deferred the hearing of appeals against the Sahinbag protest to February 26 next after the appointed interlocutors submitted the report in a sealed envelope. The top court is hearing appeals against the protest over the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act and the blockade of roads, saying this was causing difficulties for people in nearby areas. As per sources, former Chief Information Commissioner Wahajat Habibullah said any attempt to forcibly seize those protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act from the route they are sitting on a Shahid Bagh, Delhi, would compromise their safety. The first consignment of Tever X95 assault rifle reached Nagaland. The Nagaland police personnel are all set to use the assault rifles produced by the Israel Weapon Industries (IWI). Sharing pictures of IWI Tever X95 assault rifles being checked by a few Nagaland police personnel. We the Nagas, a leading digital news platform in Nagaland, tweeted, Nagaland police is all set to add a new weapon to its armory as the first phase consignment of Israel Weapon Industries (IWI) Tever X95 assault rifles arrive in the state. India INC is sending face masks, sensitizers, soaps and disinfectants as companies do their bit to help China cope with shortage as the world's most populous nation grapples with the COVID-19 outbreak that's claimed about 2,500 victims so far. Companies across the world have been seeking to assess the impact of the coronavirus outbreak that has halted manufacturing in China for global supply chains as well as the domestic market. In India, this has come as a business opportunity for some and a chance to help, a never for others. And now we have the sports news. International Cricket Council (ICC) informed that Oman's Yusuf Abdul Rahim Al Balushi has been banned from cricket for 7 years due to match fixing offences, according to reports. Al Balushi was found guilty of breaching the ICC anti-corruption code on 4 counts relating to 2020 World Cup qualifiers held in the United Arab Emirates last year. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. 8 houses destroyed over enmity in Kangpokpi district. Sealed Class 11 question packages were torn beforehand, says Minister Radheshyam. And Trump visits Taj Mahal after pleasing India with tough talk on terror and trade. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.
Thank you.